Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on OPPO Reno 15. Alright, to create our backup we need to launch our app first. So open it up, then go straight into settings. Actually click on the three dots first, and from here we can get into the settings. Now scroll down a little until you find chats, scroll again and click on chat backup. Okay, let's begin with Google account first. Currently, in my case, this Google account is selected, and it means that on this account, our backup will be saved and stored in the cloud of this Google account. So, for example, if you want to restore a backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the exact same Google account if you want to restore your chats. Of course, you can add another account, simply click on add and sign in into Google account. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option is turned off. In my case, I put it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient and comfortable thing. If you want, you can pick between those possible modes on the screen: daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap backup. Or you can completely turn it off, it's up to you. I'll stick to the monthly in my case. Let's also include the videos in our backup, really useful thing, I highly recommend turning it on. And down below we have end-to-end encrypted backup. This is an extra security feature, it's not necessary to turn it on, but if you want to, if you click on use passkey, you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore anything, everything will be lost. So if you choose to create that password, don't forget it. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary. We also need to have some free Google storage space. If you don't have enough, simply click on that and click on open with Chrome, for example, and you'll have to clean up some space. To create a backup, hit this green button. In my case, it won't take long because I have like only few messages on this account, so it will take just like you can see, like 3 seconds. If you take on the last backup, and we have the hour, it's the same, so it's confirmation that everything went successfully. And also down below you can see the backup size. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.